Hello, in front of me I've got a tiny van. It's a tiny van because it's 541 centimeters in long. It's fully equipped, that's to say it's got the washroom, toilet, kitchen. Even tinier vans can have kitchens, but they won't have the washroom, the toilet, and you can't stand up inside them. So that is my criteria for a tiny van. So it's not going to get much smaller than this, or it's not going to get any smaller than this. So this thing here is going to cost 72,500 euros, and we'll have a walk inside. Initial thoughts, well, what can I say as I come in? Note that the here it goes straight up, not so comfortable. Two chairs coming around, well, that's quite normal. They've used storage in the bulwark, which obviously means you've got to sort of duck a little bit as you come out of the driving position. We've got storage up there. We've got completely pointless open shelves up there. And the problem here is that the manufacturers don't realize that when a car moves, it moves, and things can also move with it. Coming now into here, I see we've got a kitchen extension. We've got a place to leave your sandals. We've got a fridge here. It's one of these clever fridges that opens both ways. We've got here two burners. We've got a sink. We've got drawers with soft close. No, it's not with soft close. Sorry, I made that one up. These ones aren't with soft close. These ones are with soft close. My mistake. Sorry. There you go. And here, there's a wardrobe of sorts, and the bed, which has been contoured around the toilet. Now, at the back of the bed here, we've got places so you can leave your phones in there. You could even charge them. I thought of putting a charging point somewhere there. Lights here, switches, lights above the bed. You can rest your pillow up in bed and maybe look at one of these slit windows. And storage point of view, can't really complain too much at the back. In here now, this here is something I think could be a problem. Now, obviously, we don't actually, I've got no evidence because this has just been brought out, but the sliding toilets in the Malibu, Carthago Malibu, they've been doing it now for what, 7 years I think it is, and I haven't heard any complaints. But in the Pilot, which was introduced about 4 years ago, there's lots of problems with them not working. So the problem with moving parts means things stop working. And the toilet is one of these things you don't really want to have it stopping working, particularly if you need to get in there really quickly. Here we have the sink. Clever, eh? There's the sink with the sink cover. I don't know if that's good or not, actually. I haven't had a chance to think about it too much, but it might be clever. It's got storage down here as well. This will open somehow, and up here we've got storage as well, and that opens like that. Elastic band here to stop your creams and shampoos and things falling out. That's the shower head, and the hose, it goes in there as it does with every single vehicle. Right, good. Let's have a look around the back. Hope you like the sound effects. I didn't put these in. These are put in by the manufacturer. And I confess, I have actually been known to put sound effects in some of my videos, like that, things I filmed outside. Right, you've got storage at the back here. Over here, you've got space for a small gas canister, or medium one, I should say, and lashing straps in the floor. Heating via diesel. I think what happens with the diesel heating is that it'll shut off when the tank gets to 1/4 full. Got the bed here. This all comes up. If necessary, you can get more storage in there. Now, the tiny van is something I very much believe in because you get a tiny footprint in there. What I don't believe in at all are moving toilets because they break, and although I've got no evidence whatsoever that this one's going to start breaking. Maybe it's one of a new type. It's a miracle cure that doesn't break, but good. It is new. there's new innovations in there. The shower unit, I've never seen that before. The sink unit's new. So all of that is new, because normally it says new and it isn't. Seen it all before, but in that case, haven't seen it all before. I need to point out, as always, I do not recommend Knaus as a company. They have serious financial problems at the moment, and they are indeed, there's 2 separate investigations into the company, one relating to financial irregularities and the second one to overstate or understating the weight of their vehicles. So bear all that in mind. But thanks for the moment for watching, and maybe get a tiny van, but not one from this company. Bye for now.